Convert, transpose, data frame lists to columns. I have a pandas data frame that has a list of values inside a cell. I need to convert these values into columns containing true or false if the column value is inside the list for that row. I need a column for every unique value inside every row's list. This is my data frame. To create the initial data frame. Then I tried. And it outputs this. But it's not what I want because the columns are not aligned. I need something like this.
From Sklern Multilabelbinarizer.
You can clean up/modify your data if you do not like to import from Sklern.preprocessing import Multilabelbinarizer for this. Output.
Another solution, just using pandas. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.